So I got my tractor on my motorcycle lift, and if you're wondering why, I blew the motor up. Well, kind of blown up, still working. As soon as it went out of warranty, it started leaking on one of the cylinders oil, and it's been leaking for about 5 years. It's an old tractor, zero turn. But the other day when I got home from vacation, I decided I was going to try this out. Went and cut the lawn, and the oil dumped out real quick out of the leak it was having. By the time I got it back, it was running with no oil, and now it's got one side that sounds like it's banging. So I got a new motor coming in. So I got to take this off, disconnect the belt, pull the clutch off, pull the motor out, and do that. While I'm doing that, I'm going to change it to a mulching. So this piece is going to be replaced for mulching and change the mulching blade. And then I'm just going to do the regular grease job on it and everything else. I got one of these caps that fell off. I banged them off over there. I got to put that on and then grease the whole thing up. But I'm going to do a little video on how to swap this engine. It's a Kohler 27 horsepower. I'm going with the new version, and I'll do a little video on it and everything else I do to it. But next project, before I get back to the truck. I know everybody's wondering where I've been. I got sick. I was sick for weeks, stomach virus, and put me down, and I'm finally getting back to it. And figured out I got some projects I got to work on. I can't keep working on the truck without getting this done. Working on my RV. Got to get my lawn tractor going. Want to get it done before next year comes around. I got to start it, and I got to do it then. So I might as well do it now. So I'm getting it out of my way. So, 2 projects going. Have a great day. Bye.